object is a and the. A and the are also called articles. We will learn their use separately. First of all, I will tell you about the use of a and n. A and n means one. Means when we talk about one object, then we use a or n. Now you see how many ice creams is it? One. It is one ice cream. And this is one rabbit, one tree. Okay, so means when the object is one, then before it we use a or n. Now where do we use a and where do we use n? We use n before the word vowel sound, the word which starts with vowel letters. You know, you have learned about vowels. A, E, I, O, U. There are 5 vowels. Okay, so A, E, I, U are the vowels, and the word which doesn't start with any vowel sound, with that we use A. Okay, like now, see. Let's see which are the words which start with vowel sound. Here are the aeroplane. It starts with A. Okay, so it starts with A. That's why before it we will use n. Now, how many eggs you can see? This is one egg. So, for one egg, before this egg, we will use n. N egg. How many ice cubes you can see? This is one ice cube. So, we will say n ice cube. Okay. How many oranges you can see? One. So, we will say n orange. Umbrella. And umbrella starts with U, which is also a wall. So we will use N. N umbrella. Now, as I told you that there are 5 vowels, A, E, I, O, U. So the word which starts with vowel sound, for them, before it we will use N. Now those words which doesn't start with vowel sound are called, those letters which doesn't start with vowel sound are called consonants. Okay, so you have learned that there are 26 letters. Okay, in English alphabet there are 26 letters A to Z, and among those 26 letters, 5 are the vowels, 5 are the vowels. Okay, so 26 minus 5 means 21. So what are those 21 letters called? We call them consonant. We call them consonants. Okay, so the word which starts with consonant letters, for them, before them we use A. Okay, like a mango, a cat, a cow, a book. Okay, now I will show you some images and you will guess whether we will use A before it or we will say N. Now see, what is this? This is one elephant. For one object we use A or N. Okay, and as it starts with vowel sound E, so we will use N before it. So we will say this is an elephant. What is this? This is one igloo. Okay, you know igloo. Okay, so for it, what we will use, as it starts with I vowel sound, so we will use N before it. An igloo. Now what is this? This is one tree. Okay, so for it also, what we will use, as does it starts with vowel sound or it starts with consonant sounds? T is a consonant. Okay, it is not a vowel. So that's why we will say a tree. Now what is this? This is one rabbit. For one rabbit we will use a. Why? Because rabbit, the first letter is R and it is a consonant. Now everybody's favorite, what is this? Yes, ice cream. So this is one ice cream. so we can use a or n, but now you have to decide whether you will use n before it or a. So for that you will just go through the spelling. It starts with I sound, I sound, which is a vowel. So that is why we will use n before it. N, ice cream. This is an ice cream, and this is an orange ice cream, I guess. Okay. So students, that's all about a or n. I hope it is clear that n is used with vowel sounds words, the word which starts with vowel sounds, and a is used with consonants, the words which starts with consonant sounds. Okay. Students, now we will learn the use of the. We use the to talk about any particular things. For example, some birds are flying behind the tree. So the tree, we are talking about a particular tree, so we will use the as if we are showing in any image. Okay. Now also we use the before repeated words, those words which we are repeating again. So like I have a new bicycle. Here we are talking about bicycle once, so that's why we will use a. But in the next sentence, that bicycle is yellow in color. We are repeating the talk about bicycle. So here, before bicycle, we will write the. The bicycle is yellow in color. From the next sentence, we will use the before bicycle. Or take another example, like a spider is crawling on the walls, and now dash spider is weaving its web. So the spider is weaving its web because we are repeating spider word. So before it we have already used in our first sentence when we talk about it once. Now again we are repeating it, so we will use the. The spider is weaving its web. Also we use the before plural naming words. Okay, because as I told you that a or n means one. When we talk about one object, then we use a and n. Okay, but when the things or any word is plural, then before it we will use the. Like the children, the eggs. The children are playing. The eggs are boiling. Okay, it doesn't matter whether the word starts with vowel sound or consonant. Just we see whether if it is starting with the word plural. Okay, if it is a plural naming word, then we will surely use the. Okay, before that. We also use the with particular or any unique naming word. Yes, this is very important, students, that with some particular naming word. Now, what are those particular or unique naming word? Like the name of, before the name of any country, like the India, the China, the America. Okay, or before the name of any river, like the Ganga, the Yamuna, or before the name of any book, famous book, the Bible, the Gita. Okay, or before the names of any planets. Okay, or any celestial bodies like the earth, the sky, the moon, or the sun. Okay, like the sun. Okay, so the Ganga, as I told you before, the name of any river. Okay, so here the sky and some things which are limitless, which are like which we cannot count, which we cannot measure. The sky. Okay, so before so many unique naming words we use the. I hope it is clear. So keep these points in your mind that we use the when we talk about any particular things, or before the things which are repeating, or before the name plural naming words, or with some unique naming word like the name of any river, book, any celestial solar system, any part from solar system or universe, you can say like the galaxy. Okay, or then the sky, which we cannot count, things which we cannot count. Okay, so that's all about the use of articles. I hope it is clear to you. Now you know that a and n means one when we talk about one object, and the is used with plural things or things which are repeating or some famous or any particular thing.